Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and now we have to scroll down, of course, and find About Phone. So let's tap on it. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number. So let's open the version, and as you can see, the build number is right here. And now we have to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, no worries. And as you can see, now we've got the information that we are a developer, in a developer mode. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings, and here let's find the system. It should be right above the About Phone. So let's tap on it. And then let's scroll down and open developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. And also be aware, because those options are advanced. So be aware before you will change anything. However, I just wanted to show you that we've got different sections, completely different options which we can customize. So for example, those which are connected with apps, so we can turn the option to don't keep activities, for example. We can manage the media, so disable USB audio routing. Here we've got also hardware accelerated rendering, so we can show view updates. We can set transparent navigation bar. So here we've got more or less something like the drawing or animation. Here we can turn on the pointer location. Here we've got some networking options which are connected with the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So quite a lot of things to customize. And in order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it. So basically it works just like in the regular settings. So just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the transition animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back, the developer options which were right here will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and then keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.